Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on measurements and instrumentation. So today class, let us discuss the measurement of high resistance. Okay, measurement of high resistance. So what is the range of this high resistance? What is meant by this high resistance range? That means the range of high resistance is nothing but it is greater than 100 kilo ohm. Okay, or you can also say that greater than 0.1 mega ohm. 0.1 mega ohm we are calling as the high resistance. Now this high resistance has three terminals. This high resistance has three terminals. Okay, one is called entering terminal, another one is leaving terminal, current entering and current leaving. So another one is called God terminals, which is always connected to the ground. One is called God terminals. So what is its importance? So let us see. See, if you take the high resistance example, so the insulation resistance of the underground cables. So whenever the resistance is high, when the resistance is high, the current flowing through the circuit is very less. But due to the high resistance, so the voltage across this high resistance I into R. So resistance is high, of course the current is small, but some voltage will appear across the surface. Okay, so some charge is accumulated on the surface. So which leads to the leakage current is flowing. So whenever we are measuring this resistance, so we have to consider that leakage current. Then only we are going to measure the high resistance value very high accurately. Therefore, in order to get that high accurate results, we are going to have this other extra terminal that is called God terminal or ground terminal, which is connected to the ground. Because now let me explain one example. So now we are measuring a high resistance, let us say is using this voltmeter and ammeter method. Now this is what the resistance are to be measured. Okay, so without God, so there is a leakage current flowing here. So leakage current is flowing. So this is called our leakage current. Okay, going to the ground. Without God, the leakage current is flowing here. Now, so therefore here voltage applied. Whenever the voltage applied, okay, so the switch is closed. Therefore, the voltage, now the resistance to be measured V equal to voltmeter reading by ammeter reading. But this ammeter not only measuring the current flowing through the resistor IR. Okay, so this ammeter reading is also equal to this IR plus that leakage current. So this IR plus this leakage current. So therefore, so whatever the measured value by the high resistance, so which is not actually to the true value because of this current and this leakage current. Now, once you connect that, okay, using this God ring, so God methods, so that means, so let us now see what is the result here. So now using the same principle, so I am measuring the resistance, unknown resistance of the same resistor by using the same measurement, okay, voltmeter and ammeter. So here now I am going to use here one God to protect, that is to avoid this leakage current. Okay, to avoid this leakage current I am going to use this God. Now see here, this is connected like this. Okay, is connected like this. Therefore, the current flowing through this God and it will go to the ground. So therefore, the current the same here also the resistance is voltmeter reading by ammeter reading. But here this time, in this case, the current measured, the ammeter measured the current flowing through the actually resistant IR. So with the leakage current is here diverted, bypassed. The leakage current is bypassed through this God. So this is the importance of these third terminals, because we are not considering. Because see, if you take the underground cable, so due to some weather conditions, okay, humidity, moisture, okay, and also some voltage, electrical and mechanical stresses on the cables. So the resistance value changes because the temperature. The value of resistance depends upon the temperature. As the temperature increases, okay, resistance increases for the conductors and the resistance decreases as the temperature increases for the semiconductors. So whenever this underground cables resistance value always changes because of this environmental conditions, and whenever the high which is applied high stress, high voltages, electrical stresses and mechanical stresses, and also humidity, moisture, okay, content in the and temperature in the earth, inside the earth. So therefore it is very important, is necessary to calculate the resistance of the high resistance, because by considering this leakage current. Okay, so this is what the importance of the this third terminal, that is a God terminal. So therefore for this high resistance consisting of these God terminals. Now how do we measure this? Okay, what are the different methods to measure this high resistance means? So first one is Megger. Okay, first one is Megger. Okay, so this Megger is an instrument which is used to measure the high resistance, high resistance. So as we have discussed in last class, that is a ohm meter, so which consisting of PMMC instrument like galvanometer, which having internal resistance Rm, okay, which having internal resistance Rm, and this resistance R2 which is variable, in order to adjust the current in the ammeter or galvanometer. So this resistance is R1, and here in the ohm meter, here we have a battery, but that battery is not sufficient, okay, not sufficient to drive the current in the circuit, because we are going to measure the resistance that is in the mega ohms. Okay, so that battery is not sufficient to drive the current, because the resistance is high, so current is the minimum, that is 0, which is not sufficient to drive the circuit. Therefore here this battery is replaced by a generator, a hand driven generator, okay, this battery is replaced by a hand driven generator. So what is happening here? So whenever you want to measure this, okay, resistance across these terminals A and B, whenever you want to measure this resistance across these terminals A and B, so like this is our resistance to be measured. So when we connect this, okay, of course we have the scale here, so of course we have the scale. Now we have the scale here. Now whenever you connect this, now we are rotating this generator, okay, we are rotating this shaft, okay, this handle with the help of your hand. Okay, we are rotating with this handle with the help of your hand. Whenever certain speed is achieved, okay, whenever according to the design speed, some RPM, okay, whenever certain speed is achieved, the voltage is this rotor is rotating inside the generator. Whenever this rotor is rotating inside the generator, the flux cutting also increases. Whenever the flux cutting increases, the EMF induced according to the Faraday's law, whenever the flux cutting takes place, so EMF is induced, that is voltage induced in the generator. So this voltage is responsible to drive the current in the circuit. Okay, so this is what so whenever this resistance is the current is flowing, okay, so this ammeter, this galvanometer or this instrument will record the current, that is resistance, okay, the resistance of this resistance element. Okay, so this is what the Megger. So this Megger not only used to measure the high resistance, so practically if you see, we also use to check the continuity in the underground cables. Okay, so the Megger is an instrument which is used to measure the high resistance, and also the next application is it is used to check the continuity of the underground cables, so for a 1 kilometer length. Okay, so in place of the ohm meter, that battery is replaced by hand driven generator, so then which leads to the Megger. Of course, the construction of this Megger is like same as our PMMC instrument, because we are using here PMMC instrument. So this is the way to measure the high resistance by using the Megger. Okay, so thank you for listening the class. We will see in the next class.